on such event, I think a presentation was not prepared thoroughly. They will also go back to council and do a presentation, and they would march against the proposed budget. So I feel like they played with us. They needed to come with us so that we support whatever that they are presenting to us.
We have a challenge of graders, and we have been told to we have only one grader in Egoruleni as a whole. So that challenge has not been given a resolution to what will happen. Are they going to make sure each and every township get that grader, or it will only stay in one township, which is a problem for all of us. We need grass cutting, and that is a challenge. This 14% increment Yama tariffs basically for e-water, it's not doing good for us who are paying services, because our salaries don't increase that much, but our tariffs increase more than what we receive as our salaries.
It's so disappointing to get a budget that does not talk to the lived realities of our people, right? Not enough has been allocated for general tarring of the roads. And the entire constituency of Etwatwa, the road system is rotten to the core. So you don't have a budget that talks to that. Two, there is a critical element that they have not taken care of. What kind of society does not invest in the rebuilding and rehabilitation of our youth? Because I would have loved a budget that talks to one. We would have loved a budget that seeks to rescue our young people from the den of drugs and everything like that. So
to be happy with the budget, we are happy, but we are going to consent the budget so that in the Ward 66, in the Ward 67, we did not have enough money for those roads that we have to put in our township. We are not answered as community members, because you can't pay tariff while you do not have a paper that says you are an owner. We have accounts on standing, we have issues with the councils about accounts. So we cannot be answered accordingly, so that a budget as ipatalanga, asinayo, whatever, but we are approving the budget of this year.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. According to the input of the community, including myself, we are not quite exactly responded exactly the way we're supposed to, because if you can check, according to the way this presentation compared to the previous one, it's like every now and then the very same government, they come with the same things to temper all necessarily means to say those things have not been delivered the way they're supposed to be delivered in a manner. But we believe that from now going forward, everything will be proper.